For centuries, in the vibrant land of Bharata, food has transcended mere nourishment. It has become a heartfelt language of love and devotion to the deities. One of the most cherished offerings is known as prasadam, a delectable dish that is joyfully received by the divine. Among these sacred treats is a luscious dessert or Sudha, a time-honored recipe shared with us by the revered Yogis of Bhārata. This divine delight is particularly special as it is offered on the auspicious day of Akshaya Tritiya and is truly a nectar that delights the deities. Let's begin with the preparation of this dessert, Sudha. Soak the almonds. Soak about 30 almonds in warm water for an hour, then peel them. For a richer flavor, you can soak them overnight. Soak the poppy seeds. Take 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds and let them soak in milk for 4 hours. This will enhance their flavor and make them easier to blend. Soak the cashews. For a perfect balance of flavors, use 1 cup of cashews for every half cup of almonds. Chop the cashews into pieces and set them aside to soak. Boil the milk. In a thick-bottomed vessel, boil 1 liter of organic, full-cream A2 cow milk over medium heat. Stir the milk gently until it reduces to about 2/3 of its original volume. Make a paste. Now, take half of the cashews, 2/3 of the almonds and the soaked poppy seeds. Grind these together into a paste. We are looking for a consistency that's neither too smooth nor too coarse. Add your paste to the steaming milk, stirring constantly for about 5 minutes on a low-medium flame. Chop and add more nuts. Finely chop the remaining cashews and almonds, then fold them into the boiling mixture for added texture and flavor. Keep stirring on low-medium heat for another 5 minutes, allowing the consistency to thicken slightly. Sweeten the Sudha. Add sugar, that is 2/3 the quantity of the cashews used, and stir continuously until it is fully dissolved. Be careful not to overcook after the sugar is added, as it can alter the texture. Remember, while sugar will make it a bit thinner, the mixture will thicken as it cools. Finish with raisins. Rinse about 15 raisins, chop them. Once prepared, turn off the heat and mix in the chopped raisins. This will give the dish a delightful chewy texture. With a heart full of devotion and patience, offer this delightful dish Sudha to the deities, seeking their blessings. We hope this treasured recipe from Bharata continues to strengthen the sacred bond between every devotee and the divine. Enjoy creating the sweet connection through the art of cooking.